What's up, my people? Welcome back to another episode on the Lifestyle channel.
They are cook up something today. Where you say where you cook up?
Why? Today I run off some oxtail, no people. You know, at dinner time, and I know lunch I cook today. So,
Run off you what?
just
Curry
out there,
oxtail.
I'm a curry this oxtail. So I go on, good old pack Jamaican curry. So, yeah, we are curry up some oxtail. What kind of rice I give them, Ravas?
Rice and peas. Red.
So, let's say I put carrot night.
And some carrot turn up. Rice and peas, carrot rice.
Yes, sir.
Alright, my people, so
Good night still.
stay tuned and watch what going on. We got Biggs behind the camera. Biggs, and I say, what up to the people? Them?
That was the first one.
What up? Welcome back.
Yeah, my people. So we just there go and season this up, cause we done wash it up and
Clean up and everything.
clean up and everything already, you know. So we just run some season on it.
Like you see what I'm going. You say big, you can't wait for it.
I'm hungry. Shit.
Say a hungry time.
Yeah, some good old.
Yeah, how many pepper you put in Sages?
You got 2 for now, to be.
Two pepper. Curry gotta have pepper.
You gotta have pepper and curry.
Yeah, but now not all you pepper. You know this guy.
Hey, pepper.
This guy be forcing it.
When you eat, you gotta say Jesus.
Oh, we put 80% pepper in.
Yeah, man. Good old.
You gotta eat pepper. Spice with curry, people.
Bad
You gotta
season,
have
yeah,
pepper
people.
with curry.
We put look like the bad season on it, same, you know.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican jerk, we put that on everything. Dry jerk.
What about that slap your mama one? Where's that?
Oh, I already put that on.
Oh.
You already slapped it, man.
Yeah, remember, I already started seasoning up this before we just start rolling up, cause we are trying to consume man hungry.
Yes,
Yeah,
people.
let me get a spoon or something.
Yeah.
But people, what we are going to do, you know? So we'll put some of the curry on it now, and then when we're going to put it on the fire, we're going to burn some of the curry side here, cause we put the curry, you know, cause we know our Biggs living at the bathroom all tomorrow, you know?
When people you don't burn, you gonna shit your life out.
Yeah.
What? Free?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Show them the peas in that pot, cause we're about to put on the peas already, you know, people.
Show the people them, man.
The
The
peas
peas
are
are bubble up.
that bubble up. So I'm bubbling up some carrot to in there.
Deal with that. They say, I want to blend up our...
Go on, hold on, vibes on. Anything out, anything out.
Try to get that, cause we do blend up with all that.
Alright, see, I've seen them people, beautiful, look what I want. Fully curry down. Next time you see this, they're going to the pot well bossy.
Yes, sir.
Go already, so I'm going to go ahead and get the season and cut up and thing. So stay tuned, watch out. Remember people, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Channel keep growing. We thank you for the support. We appreciate it. Keep doing what you're doing and we're going to keep doing what we're doing. Let's hear about it.
Almost at 1,000.
Nice people. Yo, anyway, that get one more people are big things we are doing. It's a big. I go
Hell yeah.
Well, people, when I do a warm already, alright now.
Cool with the outside people.
Jacket, man, I walk up and down and I see it, we don't look good.
Where that look shaky.
One day it's nice, the next day it's cold.
Yeah.
Welcome
to New England.
Yep.
Not like.
Sir.
Alright, people, stay tuned.
Alright, people, we are going in and clean up the carrot there. We're going to use this in the rice and peas. So we're going to grate that down, so do something different, you know. Last time we blend up it. This time we're going to grate it. See what happens, you know, experiment. That's it, man.
Experiment, I don't know what happens right, people.
Clean up. And then we'll grate that. And see settings.
Meantime, just do what I have on. Get some season cut up for the pot. What's a big day? Ever eat curry oxtail before?
Of course.
Say they do it in Dominican Republic always, right?
Nah, since I met Chase.
Don't know curry everything, you know, man. I'll curry all water, you know. Yeah, really. Yeah, I'm people that's gone. What do I want? So it's a big cooking Saturday?
Oh yeah, we're doing what we doing, a birthday party?
I say you're doing a bashment. I say big.
Man,
Yeah, invite everyone, man.
we do what we do every Saturday, just drink, get drunk, and go to sleep.
Yo, speak for yourself.
Huh?
Big same one. Right now, big same one thing that.
Big say a big pie. What, you killing 2 goats?
Yeah,
Pig
right.
and couple chickens, like 200 chickens.
Big same one fried chicken.
Fried chicken?
The one you made the other day. Well, Chase, remember that video? I think that was the first video we made here.
Nah.
That fried chicken, yeah, no?
First video was me and him.
Oh, so that second one.
Alright, people, this is going alright, you know.
Cause that fried chicken that day, that shit was lit.
We'll do it. I'm gonna season the chicken 2 days before.
Hell yeah.
Some fried chicken. I do some food and some.
I mean, but you do that fried chicken on Saturday, it's not gonna last 2 minutes.
Fried chicken, we're gonna do some goat and some pork too. What is it? No, no more than that. And some soup, you don't know if I have soup. I think so. What is that? What do you think?
For soup,
Fries more,
you gotta have the soup to survive.
Oh, I'll pass it in that, you know.
Baby, I'm buying fries for me. Now I'm buying people.
Stay tuned, my people. Stay tuned.
Active up my people. I will have to know if to throw some curry in it, you know. Get that curry burn up. Everybody, one curry. Active.
Oh, it smells nice.
What? Smell nice.
You like fries?
I will have to know. We gotta get this
Ooh,
in there
this is
right.
my favorite part right here.
Oh, yeah.
Sir.
Alright, you can stir that up. Pot with oxtail this naman. Ano ko yun? Ano nga pa yan? Pot with oxtail of people.
This ain't fast. Duro.
Kaya well turn up. Alright, so we'll make that saute a little bit before we close the pressure cooker. We're going to leave it like that for a couple minutes, then we add our natural seasoning, add the water, and whoo!
Yes, sir.
Active, right? Send off it. Where was? So I'm going to be peas over there. Already?
Alright.
Yeah, there you go. Like the oxtail will come finish cook before the peas.
You don't come right back. You leave me out.
Come and take one of the peas and test it. Follow. Pour some water in the pot here, my people. Like you want a little more water. Well, anyway, while I'm showing you all these natural seasoning, and You know what? Here, this is the regular. We have onion, sweet peppers, hot peppers, scallion, thyme.
A little bit of everything.
Things to make the pot
Eat the right flavor, people.
delicious later. Check the water and we're boss. No, no, no good. People. So, once this start boiling up, we're gonna close the pressure cooker and let it pressure for about 30 minutes. Then we take it off.
Stay tuned.
Watch it great. Seasoning right. Alright people, put in the rice already, you know. I'm not too any carrots and I'm gonna make it look pretty up. It's a big
Nice.
carrot up, you know, so cook up
Ready to
nice.
be consumed, like Jay said.
Yum in time. Alright people, we just gonna rub up in there, you know.
Sir.
Supposed to look stylish. Right. According to the man over there. Alright people, we have a lock up here, make it go and simmer down, you know. Alright.
People, see what going on? We just took the oxtail out of the pressure cooker. And it's pretty much cooked. So we just throw a little more seasoning in there, a little bit more. We're going to give it a couple more minutes still, and we're going to add some broad beans on it. Even though a curry oxtail, we still got to put some broad beans on it. Which is right. So we're going to give it a couple more minutes, let the gravy go down a little. And then next time you see this pot, it's going to be dishing out to eat. The rice is almost done too. Rice looking right, so botal and soon, people. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Alright, active my people. See it there now. Food done cooking now.
Ready up.
Oxtail well cooked, rice well cooked. So when I eat, you know, we'll go ahead, get the food that share out and get to the consuming. So stay tuned, watch what I want. Keep it running. Keep it running, Papa. Keep it running.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about it.
It's a big, what you look like? What?
2 spoons.
Two?
Yeah, that's good. Goddamn.
Mine say two.
You want too much now?
I said one.
No, you want more. Well, that's share out.
Go on, people.
Well, that's Steve, you know. Go ahead and try and Steve.
Go on, you know. Big.
Big, this one.
This are you?
This one.
This are you? It's a big. Ready if it goes? throw it out.
Go in and my people. Food well active, you know.
Right.
Murder that plate, man.
Alright, people, I eat that, you know. Eat that look right.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Nice.
Active up my people. Consume time, no. Stay tuned and watch what go on. Where's the big zog on for food?
It's another 10.
People, we are going to curry oxtail, you know, see plate. Pretty up, you know.
Spicy like always.
Right spice, don't say spicy.
There ain't no spice in this.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Could I take another pepper, people?
Food right.
Or you actually a ton of people.
Alright.
Rice salad. Okay, little carrot, you can taste the crunch in it, you know. You know, cook out. Good.
Or an oxtail. So that nice with two roti on the side.
Next time, give them roti.
Real nice.
Pigs or veggie.
Nice.
Good for everything. I be a nice big thing, and I say nothing but nice people. Can we describe food to people that really want to hear about it?
Cheers, Joe. Alright, my job is to eat.
Yeah. When you eat, you say where I eat or you taste something.
I eat, not talk, man.
Yeah, man, food active, my people.
Turn up and turn over people. So it didn't say.
Nice meal.
Nice dinner.
After a long day of work. So I bought it all to boil dumpling too.
Yeah, man. People have to drop in a comment, you know, when they want to see. When they see we cook. Next time you can drop in there, you know, and say big up, we go cook something from BR. I say big.
Hell yeah.
I might chop something, you know, some chicharron. You know if you do that.
We always do that.
No, you gonna do it the other way, Dominican way. Can make that happen. Then we could compare it to the Colombian and the Puerto Rican, you know? So which one nicer?
Sure.
Next time you could make a mango too.
Cocktail come off a bone easy, people.
So we're trying to say.
So if you cook, not the Dominican way.
But, alright, my people, I finished consuming the food. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep supporting the channel. Keep doing what we're doing.
Those people will keep dropping content and stuff, you know.
And remember, people, if anybody have a suggestion or you want to cook, don't feel free to drop it in the comments.
Make it up.
Active out. Stay safe until next time.
Loose.